If I was a property manager or owner in 2025 managing a single property or even multiple properties, I would use Lodgify because, quite simply, they boast an all-in-one approach to property management software. They allow you to own your own domain and create your own website using a highly intuitive drag and drop interface, which basically everyone can use. They offer a unified inbox to not only manage your communications, but also to automate it. A task manager to streamline all of your operations, and to top it off, they scale as your business grows. Not to mention free onboarding, as well as a very competitive pricing structure. I mean, even if you do have listings already on bookings.com, Airbnb, or even Expedia, you can sync those bookings and your calendar and your availability all in real time in one centralized space so that you don't have to complicate your life. And that's not even all. In actual fact, it's the tip of the iceberg. Join me now and let me show you why Lodgify is a cut above the competition. Oh, and before I forget, the link in my description will redirect you to their sign up page, which will get you a 7-day free trial. All right, let's jump in. So the first thing you will see is your dashboard, and what you'll have to do is run through this entire process where you will create your first rental. You can also import that rental from another server. So for example, if we jump into the channel manager, you will be able to import your listings from Airbnb, booking.com, Vrbo, and Expedia. They also have a search engine integration, which is really great. We'll get into that a little bit later. And then they have the calendar sync. So you've got a calendar that you've connected maybe to Airbnb, booking.com, Vrbo, and Expedia. You can now sync this calendar within Lodgify. That means that you can literally manage everything in one place. The next thing that we're going to look at is the website builder. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not a web designer and I'm not a coder. So having a very intuitive builder like this is really, really easy for me. On the left side, you have your toolbar where you can see your styles, your pages, all of your settings, including a domain, which you can get within one of the plans on Lodgify. And then your rentals, you can see how this is all laid out for you. And then there are some external widgets as well. So it's very simple. All you'd have to do is literally have a look on the left hand side on what sort of elements you would like to use over here, and then you are literally having a preview of your website in real time. So you can see that this is all editable, so you can go and change absolutely everything that you see over here. They also have the mobile optimization, so it looks good on mobile as well. And then you can just see over here, you can preview your website when you're done to see what it would really look like to a potential client. The next thing we're going to have a look here is their help center, their community base, and how easy it is to communicate with the people from Lodgify to help you with whatever it is that you need. So the first thing here you can see is they have common use cases. So here you get access to step-by-step solutions for common scenarios that you'll find in Lodgify. So if you go in here, you'll see there's rental pricing, their websites, reservations and calendars, channel manager, and their PM models. So you can actually go down and go into any one of these and see what the article is about and read up a little bit more about it without actually having to contact a human or chat with an AI chatbot. Next up is their personalized demo call, which is absolutely free of charge. So when you are signing up, you will have this option over here. So you can sign up for your free trial, which gives you the opportunity to test the short-term rental software, and this will be free for 7 days. And then within those 7 days, you can actually book a demo call. And as I mentioned, it's free of charge, and you'll speak to Lodgify's onboarding team, and they'll walk you through any issues or any doubts that you may have about the software, or even navigating property management or even property management software. They will be available 24/7, so no matter where you are, you will be able to contact them when it is most convenient for you. Now, if that's not enough support, they also have a vacation rental academy, and this is for small property owners, managers that want to just learn more about property management. And you can see that all you need to do is click on Get Started Now or click on Enroll Now. If you run down this page, you'll see that you'll get shareable certificates. It is 100% free and online, and you will also get downloadable resources. You can see that there are a great deal of courses here that you can enroll in that can assist you with pretty much every element of property management or property rental. The very last thing that we do need to address, of course, one of the very important things is their pricing structure. Now, the whole reason you're listing your property as a rental property is so that you can make money. So why would you work against the grain and pay a lot of money to list your property? So let's have a look at their pricing structure. First of all, you can pay monthly, yearly, or you can couple 2 years, which will help you save 25% over those 2 years. And that's a fair price. You can see over here, they start at $15 per month. There is a 1.9% booking fee. You want to learn a little bit more about that, you can just use that little icon next to the booking fee. And you can see over here, you get a bookable website, which is really nice for your client. You also get your property management system, the channel manager, reservations and payment system, guest messaging. You get a free domain. That is awesome. If you just take your free domain and you take the price and you balance that off, you're really winning. You also get instant booking and requests to book, and free onboarding sessions, as well as email support. Now, if you do feel that you would like to jump over to the professional package over here for $38 a month, you will also see that there is a 0% booking fee. This means that there's no additional costs to that $38. So in this plan, you get everything that you got here in this plan, plus there's no booking fee, as mentioned, manual payments, that is awesome, security deposits for pre-authorization, advanced guest messaging, which is really great and I think very overlooked because you often don't see it from the guest or the client point of view. To be able to speak to the property manager directly within the app that you're booking your accommodation on is really a game changer. It makes it just a little bit more personalized for the person trying to book a reservation. You also get the Google vacation rentals and you get phone support, which again is very personalized. If you are wanting to upgrade again to the ultimate plan, this is best as a business. If you're scaling with more advanced property needs, you get everything that you found in the starter package as well as the professional package, but additional to that, you get an expanded dashboard. This means that you get to see a whole bunch more analytics and statistics so that you can make more data-driven decisions rather than just hoping and guessing that you're doing the right thing. You also get a cleaning and task management system. You also get accounting, which again, for $55 a month with no extra booking fee, that is a bargain. If you have a look at accounting software, if you have a look at website building software, if you have a look at these things and tally up what it costs, it'll be way more than $55. And this is all accessible in one centralized place. That's what makes it even more amazing. You also get that user management system. You get a guests app, which is amazing. That means your guests can book in on the app. It also allows your guests to basically only use your website when they need to book a rental if you have multiple listings. You also have priority customer support across all of their channels. So if you need to make a phone call, email support, have a quick chat, whatever it is, it'll be more available to you as an ultimate subscription holder. And if you're still uncertain about any one of these packages, you can go just down to the bottom over here and you can see they have a frequently asked questions section, which again, you can go through and you can read and address all of your pain points and anything that you feel uncertain about. Okay, so now you've heard of all the benefits that Lodgify can bring you, but you need to take the next step to actually see it in action. Tap the link in the description down below to get a 7-day free trial and see how Lodgify can actually change the way you manage your property listings. You've got nothing to lose. And as I mentioned before, even if you already have listings on other spaces, you can still manage everything on Lodgify's centralized platform. My people, until we meet again, take care.